Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export a quick note from your notebooks on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So let me launch Microsoft OneNote on my device. Make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account, and next here from the Home tab on Notebooks, expand the Notebooks tab. Expand also the notebook you'd like to go with and select the quick note from that list below. I will go with this one here, right click into it, and you will see these pages here to the right that are part of your quick note. So what you want to do is select export from that and drop down menu. After that, navigate to the folder where you'd like to place your OneNote quick note or section. There are called section here. Click into save. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.